Mike Thorman, operator. Been with Alpha for about 6.5 years now. I started out as a laborer. About a year ago, became operator.
What's your favorite thing about what you do as an operator now?
The AC is nice. I like being able to just move all the dirt. You see the whole job site is completely different after you're done. Just as a laborer, everything you do just gets buried. Like, nobody can see that. So this is the homemade site. They have a bunch of little, basically 1-bedrooms. You just kind of lay them all out here. We're doing all the water lines, the sewers for tie that in. Oh, I love this company. Yeah, they'd have to try to get me to leave. Everyone gets along, no drama. Just do the work and get them done. We're moving. I mean, we got, what, 200 plus guys now? So we're moving on up. That's what happens when you do good work.
Safe to say you like your job.
Oh yeah, I'm not going nowhere. So yeah, let's try it.